It's not unusual for us to find key lime pie on our favorite restaurant menu or in the freezer case at the market. But do you know what makes key limes different from regular limes? Here are some regular limes, also known as Persian limes. As you can see, their skin is deep green and they're about the size of a billiard ball. And when you taste them, get ready to pucker up. Now these are key limes. See how much smaller they are? And their skin is lighter and much thinner. As for the taste, it's a bit smoother and milder, which makes them perfect for the cupcakes we're whipping up today. After baking a white cake mix that we've taken up a notch by adding some key lime juice and zest, we cut a hole in the center of each one with an apple core or a paring knife. Then we fill these with some canned key lime pie filling before topping them with a homemade buttercream. A few graham cracker crumbs go on top, and there you have it. Everything you love about a key lime pie in the form of a cupcake. I really do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our key lime pie cupcakes so you can enjoy the goodness of summer all year long. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty pucker-up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.